have breakfast at Family Mart. What should we get? What should we get?
Hi, good morning.
Kahit Family Mart, overwhelming. Ang daming pagkain. Hindi ko masyadong
Asan yung water
nagustuhan to eh.
natin?
Parang walang last. I mean, yung last time na nakuha mo, wala masyadong last.
Walang masyadong.
Pero ang masarap ito. Ay, masarap daw sabi. Yung merong...
Meron ng laman.
Oo. Merong... ito nga. Oo. Yung ginagawang ham. Ay, hack. Shrimp. Ito shrimp cutlet.
Ito may pork.
Tapos, meron na ding pork cutlet. Tapos, meron chicken teriyaki. Oh my gosh. I'll take this one. Marami tayong iikutan. Kaya, kailangan medyo may laman ng ating tiyan.
Yung iba kasi ikaw sila mag-iingat for you eh. Smile. It's so cute. Oh man, dapat lang.
Teriyaki nga. Tapos, magkano nga ito? Kaya ko lang ito